Hi there, this is Jen from Relyence coming at you with another Relyence Academy quick tip. My goal is always to provide you with useful Relyence information in just a few minutes. If you have analyses, knowledge banks, or dashboards already created and you would like to move them to a specific folder location, you can move them one at a time using the Folder Move to Folder option here in Manage Analyses. Note the Move to Folder option is also available on the View All dialog. Or you can use the Organize function here in Manage Analyses to move several at one time. On the Organize Folders dialog, simply select the items you want to move. Note the Select All and Clear All options can help with that. Then select the folder you want to move the items to, and click Move to Folder. Note that here on the Organize Folders dialog, if the folder doesn't already exist, you can create the folder first by clicking the Insert option, or use the Add New Folder button. So if you need to move a number of analyses, knowledge banks, or dashboards to a specific folder, take advantage of the Move to Folder or Organize functions for folders. Thanks for watching. See you next time for another Relyence Academy quick tip.